Assalamualaikum. My name is Ansari Rashi Parveen Ashraf Ali, class FYBA, roll number 156, division 2, subject Arabic, ancillary. My topic is Amar bin Kulthum. Brief life sketch. Amar bin Kulthum was one of the great poets of the pre-Islamic era. His full name was Abu Abbas Amar bin Kulthum. He was born in the famous Taghlib tribe of Arabia. The exact date of his birth is unknown, although he is thought to have been born in the first decade of the 6th century or the last decade of the 5th century. His father's name was Kulthum bin Malik. He was a cavalryman from Mesopotamia. Her mother's name was Laila. She was the daughter of the famous Muhal, the hero of the famous Baswas War. He was a famous warrior and poet of his time. He is said to have been the father of Arabic Qasida. It is said that the famous Battle of Baswas started rounding his Qasida. Amar bin Kulthum was brought up in an environment of war and tribal conflict. This is where he was trained in martial arts from an early age, and for his bravery and heroism, his tribe selected him as their team leader at the age of only 15. He inherited a sense of self respect and independence from his parents. It is said that the people of the Daghlib tribe were self respecting in their belief that they stood firm against any disrespectful behavior. It is learned that once the king of Hira, Amar bin Hind, called in Laila, the mother of Amar bin Kulthum, to the royal court and persuaded her to attend to the queen, but Laila, who had a sense of self-worth, denied it and cried out to his son Amar bin Kulthum to protect her dignity. Then Amar bin Kulthum, with an open sword in his hand, rescued his mother from the queen's chamber. After this incident, the heroism of Amar bin Kulthum spread all around. He lived for more than 80 years and died in 61. Kulthum was one of the famous Muvallaka poets. It is not known how many poems he composed, but it is true that he was not a professional poet. He seldom wrote poetry. Only a small portion of his work is preserved. Love, family, pride, war, etc. were the main themes of his poetry. Muallaka is one of the most famous of his poems. The poem is thought to have had more than 1,000 lines. It was through this poem that his name as a poet became well known. The people of his tribe held the poem in high esteem and memorized it with great reverence as a symbol of national heroism. Amar bin Kulthum begins his famous Muallaka poem with a love story in the traditional way. Her the poet's pain of separation from his beloved is portrayed vividly. The poem begins with this: "Oh my beloved, I'll saying goodbye. Give me a good ring so that I can forget the pain of my separation from you." After this, the poem describes the physical beauty of his beloved. This description is very poetic and appealing. He described the various parts of the beloved. Thank you so much.